Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn the easiest way to share your Google Drive files with edit access, so others can collaborate with you in real time. Whether you're working on a document, a spreadsheet, or a presentation, these steps will help you give someone the ability to make changes right from their own device. Start by opening the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Browse through your files and find the one you want to share. Once you've located it, look for the three dots next to the file name. This is the More Actions menu. Tap on those three dots to reveal a list of options. From the menu that appears, tap on Share. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the email address of the person you want to share the file with. Carefully type in their email, making sure there are no typos. This ensures your file reaches the right person. Now, before you send the invitation, it's important to set the correct permission level. Look for the drop-down menu next to the email field. By default, it might say Viewer or Commenter, which only allows the person to look at the file or leave comments. To give full editing rights, tap on the drop-down and select Editor. This will let the recipient open the file, make changes, and even collaborate with you in real time. When you're ready, tap the Send button. The person you shared the file with will receive an email notification, and as soon as they accept, they'll have the ability to edit the file directly in Google Drive. That's all it takes. Sharing files with edit access on Google Drive is a straightforward process that makes teamwork easier, whether you're working on a class project, a business report, or planning an event. Remember, you can always change or remove access later if you need to. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.